Hello, welcome back to my channel. Giselle is on some work calls upstairs, so I'm kicking this off from the car. But today is Friday morning. Finally, it is not raining in LA today. It's not the warmest, but it's feeling comparatively a little bit springy today, so I thought it would be fun to do a little kickoff to spring video. And what better way than with some spring cleaning, which is actually coming at the perfect time because we have a friend sleeping over tonight. Things are pretty clean indoors, like surface wise, but not completely. And I definitely have a bunch of big like clean out and organizational projects that I thought this would be the like good driving force to actually get me to do them. So kicking off first thing this morning, and then when we get back home, I'm gonna go over my whole to-do list for today. In the back seat, you can't see, but the back seat is full of a bunch of returns that have just been taking up space in the living room. So I'm finally gonna drive out and return all of those. Also, this is a good way to be right beside a Starbucks and get some of that. Welcome to the video. Hopefully this is an entertaining watch. If you like if you love a cleaning time lapse, there's gonna be lots of that. And yeah, just happy spring. Thank you guys so much for watching. All right, I am back home. I have my coffee. My order these days at Starbucks has been the brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso. So first on the to-do list, I want to do a digital declutter. I could honestly spend all day just on this alone. I've actually just switched over to a new laptop, so I kind of want to organize some files, get some systems in place so that this new laptop can be like much more organized than my old one, which is right here, which I also want to just kind of clean up. Just want to upload a bunch of footage to Dropbox that I haven't, so that that can always be accessed from anywhere. Maybe do a little inbox cleanup as well. My big like room to clean up is going to be my bathroom for this video. Also upstairs, I've cleaned out my linen closet already, but I want to organize my shoe closet in the hallway and do a little bit of a clean out. Also in general, just a brief closet clean out. I feel like I've been doing well throughout time of like taking things out. I don't know if I'll have time to list some things on Poshmark today, but just like a brief little clean out because I'm kind of running low on clothing hangers. I also need to do laundry, put away dishes that are in the dishwasher and kind of clean up the kitchen. I want to magic eraser the walls. I do this every few months or so, just with having parties and people over and us not being careful, dragging our suitcases up the stairs. These walls are pretty marked up. If I have time after all of that, which I doubt I will, then other things I eventually want to get to are cleaning out under my bed and cleaning out the garage. We have a lot of ground to cover today. Dishwasher has just been like, I don't know, working half a shift. And so many things are like not getting clean lately. All right, I also clearly changed clothes because I thought by the end of all of this, I'm gonna be getting sweaty. So I wanted to be comfy instead of wearing jeans. But Giselle's chore is normally the dishes in the sink. And we don't normally have it full of dirty dishes, like covered in food from the night before. But since it's my fault that I had not emptied the clean dishes, I now get to do the dirty dishes too, so. All right, moving on to the next thing on my list, which is cleaning out my closet here a little bit. Again, nothing too crazy. I just need to kind of free up a few hangers. So I'm gonna add a few things to my either sell or donate pile. It's looking like I'm probably not gonna get to being able to list some things on Poshmark today, but we're just getting done as much as I can. Like again, this is just one day, so it's not realistic to do everything. But as you can see, we have quite a collection of clothing here on the floor that is just from literally only this week. This room actually stays pretty clean. It's just been a crazy week and everything's been thrown on the floor when I take it off at night. So I'm gonna hang these up, make the bed. I washed the sheets yesterday, and then I'm gonna get to the closet clean out. Watching you make the bed, listening to the news. This is my life, I love it. Alright, the bedroom is now in order, so next I'm gonna go through both sides of my closet. So here's what it's looking like. Things have just gotten like messy throughout time. Again, I've just like, I saw this TikTok, I forget what the audio was, but basically it was this girl talking about like always being overwhelmed, just like in her house feeling like she's never on top of everything, like being in its place, and how the source came down to having too much stuff, which I think is just absolutely the case for myself, which I don't think I'm ever going to become a minimalist necessarily, but my plan is I'm just going to go through, like I have every category of my closet broken up. So these are dresses, I have like basic tanks and tees, here I have jeans, and then here I just have some other pants and like matching sets. Everything used to be color coded as well, and that's kind of gone away over the past year of living here as well. So I'm just gonna organize everything and take all the things that I think I can stand to get rid of. I recently went through these drawers, so I'm gonna leave that part alone, and then I'm just gonna tidy up this visible section and then do the same thing on the other side of my closet. I guess it might be easiest to just take everything off. Know that I have stuff just like sitting on top of that that I did not know about. More things on the floor that I had no idea about. Why do I have this purse? It is stained blue. Not been vacuumed in a year, nor has it been dusted. We have already seen this Alright, I have so many just plain tanks. These from Zara I have not worn in years, and they're perfectly, like in perfectly good condition, so they're gonna go on Poshmark eventually. Imagine if this was all the clothes I had. But no. Alright, you guys, the exhaustion is real. It has been like an hour and a half just on this one section of my closet, so I'll show you the after. But I have like the exact same situation on this side, and that's gonna have to wait for another day because there are just not enough hours in the day. So here is the after. I cut out 40 plus items. I have so many extra hangers now. I took out this middle shelf to free up some space so that I could put a couple of bags, like tote bags and a backpack that's tucked away at the back, that are always just like sitting down here because I haven't had a good place to put them. You can also see back there I have like suitcases and my weekender bag stuffed back there. I also picked off my nail polish earlier because I was stressing with my digital declutter. But I am overall so happy with this. Like, I have just so much more room. This side where all my dresses are, this is still a little too tight for comfort, but since it is summer, I was a little bit more lenient with the dresses, and we'll see what I wear or did not wear at the end of the year. So I think this is major progress. Let me show you. So this bag is full of donations, but this box right here is full of things I need to list on Poshmark, and it was probably only like half full before, and it is now overflowing. So that's how much I just got rid of from the one side. I feel like I've like gone through my closet so many times over the past year, and I've never like taken everything all the way out. And I think that was a game changer for me because like I could just see everything so much more clearly. I could hold it up, and I feel like this is like the strictest I've been with like actually cutting things out and not like justifying things. Yeah, so next we're gonna go on to my bathroom. First of all, my counter has seen better days, that is for sure. This is the area of the house I am the messiest in. I'm not only gonna be cleaning off the counter, giving everything a good wipe down, but why I'm so excited for this is because if you guys remember a while ago on my vlog channel, I did an Amazon home haul, and I got this little drawer organizer. So should this hopefully fit, I think it will, in my like top drawer, which is like where all my necessities live in a very unorganized fashion. I'm gonna organize everything in there. So first we're gonna get started on the surface clean. There's makeup on this counter. I know this is not Windex, but I don't have any, so anything will help. Just the leg of my tripod literally just broke off. All right, this is a lot of improvement. So next I'm just gonna take everything out of this crazy drawer and we'll go from there. Oh, thank God. They're not all gonna fit. Dang. All right, so this was a little too small. These two are not fitting, but I'm gonna make it work. This is still an improvement. I got these little like toothpaste cranky things. Wow. All right, you guys, not gonna lie, considering they didn't all fit, this is a bit underwhelming for me. However, I guess it is nice that things have somewhat of a place compared to just being like thrown around. At least this is clean. So I'm checking this off for today. I definitely do still need to go through the rest of my cabinets, but this day is getting away from me. The sun is about to set, so I think I'm gonna try to magic eraser some stuff off the walls. Definitely need to do some laundry, and I think I'm probably gonna forego organizing my shoe closet, which I'll show you, and I'll just like follow up in some vlogs with how this goes. So this is the hallway shoe closet. Up there, I just need to get rid of all of those clothes. Those are like old shorts and stuff. This is the part that needs going through, is all of the shoes. It just needs a lot more organization, but that'll be a project for another day. This is the linen closet across from that I cleaned out a couple of weeks ago, and then I just keep my laundry up here. These are some towels because my laundry basket's downstairs. This just used to be a train wreck, and so to have all the towels folded up, some suitcases stored here, I'm pretty happy with. Now it is laundry time. All right, you guys, we're on to the final task, which is laundry. I think I'm gonna magic eraser the walls down here, since these have definitely taken the biggest beating of like bringing in groceries, suitcases, everything like that. So I'm so tired right now, and I have like loads and loads of laundry to do and other like things I need to do tonight as well. So I'm gonna magic eraser just down here in the entryway, and that's gonna be good enough. I've already started sorting laundry. It's been way too long since I've done laundry, so now I have like just a million loads to do because it's not all gonna fit in one. So laundry is gonna be the rest of my night. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this. Hopefully this video has either been a little bit satisfying to watch or maybe given you some cleaning inspo and motivation, and that's a wrap.